Hi guys, DEWALT's power circular saws are an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, capable of producing precise cuts on a variety of materials such as wood, metal, and plastic. These saws are built with robust motors and sturdy blades, enabling them to handle even the most challenging cutting tasks with ease. Moreover, DEWALT has incorporated safety features such as blade guards and anti-kickback mechanisms into their circular saws to ensure the user's safety. Whether you're a carpenter, contractor, or someone looking to tackle a home improvement project, DEWALT's power circular saws offer a dependable and efficient solution. So, let's get started. Number 10, DEWALT 7-1/4-inch Circular Saw, 15 amp. The DEWALT 7-1/4-inch Circular Saw is a powerful and durable corded saw designed for professionals or DIY enthusiasts. Featuring lightweight magnesium and aluminum construction, it includes a durable magnesium footplate and an extra-wide saw hook that can accept materials up to 2 to 3/4 inches. The ToughCord cord protection system provides 4x better cord jerk protection, and the saw has a 53-degree bevel with detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Powerful and durable. The next is Number 9, DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max Circular Saw with Brake. The DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max Circular Saw is a powerful tool with up to 47% more power compared to the DCS 575 circular saw. It uses a 7-1/4-inch cordless circular saw blade and features a maximum cut depth of 2 to 9/16 inch at a 90-degree bevel. It also features an electric brake that stops the blade after the trigger is released, an integrated LED for increased visibility and cut accuracy, and an integrated rafter hook for quick and easy storage. Powerful with up to 47% more power. Our most powerful tools just got better with the FLEXVOLT 60V Max 7-1/4-inch cordless circular saw with electric brake. It has up to 47% more power than the DCS 575 60V Max circular saw with 2,456 unit watts out. DEWALT FLEXVOLT circular saw combines the power of a corded circular saw with the portability and convenience of cordless thanks to revolutionary DEWALT FLEXVOLT technology that offers a no-load speed of 5,800 RPM. Battery and charger sold separately. The next is Number 8, DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless 7-1/4. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless 7-1/4-inch circular saw is designed with power detect tool technology, which detects high-capacity batteries to maximize tool output. It has a maximum depth of cut of 2 to 9/16 inches at a 90 degrees and 2 inches at a 45 degrees, and an electric brake that stops the blade after the trigger is released. Power detect tool technology maximizes. The new range of DEWALT 20V Max XR tools with power detect tool technology maximize performance when used with high-capacity XR batteries. Using the 20V Max 8A battery, the DCS 574 circular saw will output up to 54% more power and get 60% more runtime than the standard XR circular saw. The next is Number 7, DEWALT FLEXVOLT Advantage 20V Max. The DEWALT FLEXVOLT Advantage 20V Max circular saw is a cordless saw that delivers up to 77% more power when paired with FLEXVOLT batteries. It has a powerful brushless motor that delivers 5,500 RPM for faster cutting and an electric brake that stops the blade after the trigger is released. The saw also features a bright LED for increased visibility and cut accuracy, an integrated rafter hook for easy storage, and an optional dust port to minimize dust during cutting. More powerful than other circular saws. It is compatible with all DEWALT 20V Max and FLEXVOLT batteries. Up to 77% more power when DEWALT 7-1/4 circular saw is paired with FLEXVOLT batteries. Faster cutting, powerful brushless motor of the cordless circular saw delivers 5,500 RPM for faster cutting. The next is Number 6, DEWALT Circular Saw, 15 amp. The DEWALT 7-1/4-inch circular saw with electric brake is a lightweight and compact saw that is perfect for even the toughest applications. With a 15 amp motor, this saw is powerful enough to handle any job. The electric brake stops the blade after the trigger is released, making it safe and easy to use. The saw has a 57-degree beveling capacity with positive stops at 45 degree and 22.5 degree, and a depth of cut capacity of 2 to 9/16 inches. Lightweight and compact. The lower guard design improves performance when making bevel cuts in cutting shims, and the integrated dust blower allows the user to clear its line of sight while cutting. The patented tough cord protection system provides 3x durability against cord pullout, making this saw a durable and reliable choice for any job. The next is Number 5, DEWALT 20V Max Cutoff Tool, 3-in-1, Brushless. The DEWALT 20V Max Cutoff Tool is a versatile tool that allows you to power through difficult materials with its brushless motor and 550 MWO. It includes 3 types of blades for cutting a wide range of materials, and the LED work light helps illuminate dark work areas. The dust shroud features tool-free depth adjustment with mm and inch markings, making it more convenient to set the desired depth. Versatile tool for cutting a wide range of materials. Cut a wide range of materials, includes bonded abrasive wheel, diamond multi-material wheel, and diamond tile wheel. The next is Number 4, DEWALT 20V Max 7-1/4-inch Circular Saw with Brake. The DEWALT 20V Max 7-1/4-inch Circular Saw with Brake, tool only, cordless is a powerful and reliable tool for DIYers and professionals alike. It features a brushless motor that provides 5500 RPM, a 7-1/4-inch blade with 2 to 9/16-inch cutting capacity, and a bevel capacity up to 57 degrees. Customers have praised its build quality, power, and electric blade braking, while noting that it is made in the USA. However, some customers have reported issues with the quality control of the saw. 7-1/4-inch blade with 2 to 9/16-inch. This DEWALT 20V cordless circular saw gives you with the power and depth of cut of a corded circular saw, but with the portability and convenience of cordless. DEWALT brushless motor technology delivers excellent performance and runtime when cross-cutting 2x material and ripping sheet goods. The next is Number 3, DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw, 6-1/2-inch. The DEWALT 20V Max cordless circular saw is a powerful and efficient tool that can handle a variety of cutting applications. The built-in rafter hook provides convenient storage on the job site, and the electric brake adds an extra layer of safety by quickly stopping the blade after the trigger is released. This saw is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that delivers 4950 RPM for fast, accurate, and consistent cutting. Powerful and efficient brushless motor. Combining performance and versatility, the 20V Max 6-1/2-inches cordless circular saw is ready to take on a variety of cutting applications. It features a powerful brushless motor that delivers 4950 RPM for fast, accurate, and consistent cutting. Tool-free depth and bevel adjustments provide a max depth of cut of 2 to 1/8 inches at 90 degrees along with a max bevel of 50 degrees. The next is Number 2, DEWALT Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw. The DEWALT brushless cordless circular saw is a powerful tool that can cut up to 369 linear feet of 3/4-inch OSB using DCB 205 battery. With its removable auxiliary handle, hang hook, and onboard blade key storage, this saw provides increased control, convenience, and easy blade changes. The bevel gear and lever allow for precise cuts at 90 and 45 degrees, while the electronic blade brake and dust port ensure safety and cleanliness. Brushless motor for powerful performance. Brushless motor of DEWALT circular saw allows you to cut up to 369 linear feet of 3/4-inch OSB using DCB 205 battery. The cordless circular saw has the removable auxiliary handle for increased control. The compact circular saw has a hang hook for increased convenience. Onboard blade key storage for hassle-free blade changes. The next is Number 1, DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw. The DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw is a powerful and efficient tool that delivers 5150 RPM motor power and speed to make the most demanding cuts with ease. Its high-strength and lightweight magnesium shoe provides job site durability for long-term cut accuracy, while the optimized rubber over-molded comfort grip delivers the 6-1/2-inch carbide-tipped blade enables cutting of 2 times material at 90 degree and 45 degree, and more cuts per charge. Powerful 5150 RPM motor for efficient cutting. The DCS 391B 20V Max 6-1/2-inch circular saw with a 6-1/2-inch carbide-tipped blade operates on a powerful 5150 RPM motor with a 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity on a lightweight and durable magnesium shoe of the DEWALT 20V cordless circular saw. So this is the best option for you to buy.